Good morning. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I'm going to put on some of their pieces right now while talking about them. They've been floating on the internet for a while, so you've probably seen a lot of their pieces, and if you watched my past videos, then you've probably also seen me working with them a lot. My favorite pieces to get by them are definitely earrings and their rings. Okay, so earrings on. These are actually by Michelle Choi's collection, which she's another YouTuber, and I love her videos. If it'll focus. I really like how the rings just have the tiniest hint of like a stone. This one's really pretty as well. And outside of their pieces, which are already eco-friendly, their bags are eco-friendly, even down to their packaging, the boxes that they send you to them in English. You know how some places tend to send you these huge boxes even though you order the tiniest thing? They'll send you the tiniest box for the tiniest thing, which I appreciate a lot, and I know a lot of people will too. All around, a very sustainable brand, and their pieces start at just $39, so if you're looking to treat yourself but you don't want to spend too much, which just falls into my alley, this is the place for you. Definitely keep an eye out on their website. They always have sales going on, and yeah. Okay, well, enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys in 1 second. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Focus. Wow. Cheers. Good morning. I really need to get groceries because I want a acai bowl. So I am gonna go to Target and buy ingredients for an acai bowl and then come back and show you guys how I make my acai bowl. Let's go. I also really need to do laundry, but I'm waiting for a pair of scrubs that I bought to arrive. After doing night shifts in the Figs versus Mediclo, I'm team Mediclo. I also do have a coupon code for them if you're interested. I haven't vlogged in a while because I'm just recovering from the week, and so I did night shifts for a week, and now I need to switch to day shifts next week. And I've been waking up at, well, today I woke up at 12, so that's how my transition is going. I've also been spending a lot of money recently, so I think I'm gonna do a sale because I need to replenish my funds. Most of it was vacation money, but still, it's all depleted. Okay, Target.
Thousands of tears later.
It's 3 o'clock now and I'm starving. First, water. Ooh, the sun left. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm like, ooh, that's how I feel right now. So, I look like a pale ghost. It's about the same. So I've tried the acai at Trader Joe's. It's a puree, not sweetened, not as good unless you put a lot of honey into it and fruits. This one from Target though is very good. And it's by Sambazon. So, I'm gonna use a NutriBullet. You can use anything. I'm just gonna bathe it in some water so it can break up once I crack it. And I like adding strawberries and berries as well. Oh my gosh. I just realized I forgot to buy coconut water for like the 4th time. And yeah, okay. So if your smoothie blender is super strong, then you probably don't need to bathe them, but mine's weak. And then this probably gets stuck in the smoothie blender like 10 times, so let's see how this goes. Oh, I need to throw that away. My plant died. Oh, I forgot to add the water. And then I add like maybe 1/4 of a cup of water. Is it strawberry season? I don't know. I hope these are good. Try again. Could that be all? You think we're done? Nah. I'm so hungry. But why are you getting stuck? It's the tiniest piece. I'm losing it. Okay, I think it's done. Next is the fun part, decorating. I feel like I'm reaching a place where I feel very so-so about YouTube. Not in the way that I hate it, I don't love it, but I think it's a good feeling, because before I would go on YouTube and I would be like, how do I get this amount? Or how do I achieve this? But now it's more like, whatever. But a good kind of whatever. Okay, so this is the fun part. We arrange in a bowl and we spill, but we create a nice bowl. So wow, great start. I love me some peanut butter, but it does make it look really ugly. So I'm just gonna put a peanut butter straight up in the middle, and then we'll cover it up. Strawberry? Why am I even doing this? Well, there's probably way too many strawberries. Well, I ran out of room for everything. Ta-da! Acai bowl.
3 days later.
Just waiting here, waiting for the Be Real. It's what my life has come down to. Last night, I tried sleeping early, got to 4 a.m. and I was just getting angry, and I woke up at 10:30 with the help of an alarm. So, trying to fix my sleeping schedule right now. That's how it's going. I'm starting Extraordinary Attorney Woo, because I heard it's really good.
싶은 날이 찾아온다고 합니다.
에이, 아니에요. 쉬시다가 이따 판결 선고 때 봐요.
I've been thinking about tacos. So, okay. Beef, tortilla, tomatoes, onion, bell pepper, chop. Do, 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 do. I will put on headphones so we can listen to the chop. Do, 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 do. Good afternoon. It's Friday and I just finished another rotation, which means I can catch up. I do need to record something for a company. But first, let's put on some earrings. If it'll focus. Shoot.
The following day.
Good morning. It's the next day, which you probably knew, but I'm gonna eat breakfast first and then we can make the video that I need to make, which involves coffee, which is why I'm eating first. Well, got my cup. I'm thinking, like, splash it in, put in the ice cubes, put in the drink, try it, and then add some milk and creamer, and it's gonna be great. What is all this? And I also want to throw the box in the air. Okay. I'm excited to try this. So let's see. Wow. Oh, stickers. Okay. My vision is to throw this up. I don't know if that really worked, but you know, we'll see. Good morning. I got these cans from New In Coffee Supply and they just wanted me to make a video trying it out, but I realized I don't really know cold brews. I mean, it tastes fresh, but I can't compare it to anything. But I finally made my video after a month of having these in my fridge. Now I need to edit that and maybe edit a vlog, maybe study if I'm feeling crazy. I don't really know cold brews. But yeah. Why is my hand so shaky? Remember how I told myself I would eventually try to make reels? Well, here it is. I'm trying to make reels now. And do I hate myself for it? A little bit. But it's not that bad. I mean, I guess it's good for me because I'm doing something, but it is a lot quicker than making an actual vlog. So there's that.
5 minutes later.
I'm sick of all the food I have, so I'm gonna make a smoothie because I forgot that I bought these avocado things a while ago so I can make this smoothie. Avocado chunks. Ta-da! Why do I always say that? Also, not a real tattoo. Oh my god, I'm devastated. What happened? Oh my god, my life is over. Okay, well, cane sugar. Cane sugar. This is either it's gonna taste really bad or okay. I mean, it's not bad. But it's not like amazing, like if condensed milk were in it. But whatever. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and once again, if you do want to check them out, I have a link down below, and see you guys next time, which no promises when that'll be, but it'll be. Bye! End clip.